Hello, today we will guide you through how to import Gmail Contact to Microsoft Outlook. To begin, open your Gmail account in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account, especially if you use more than one email account. Starting in Gmail is important because this is where your contact list is stored and where you'll first export the file needed for Outlook. Once Gmail is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the 9-dot Google Apps icon. This menu gives you access to all Google services connected to your account. From that list, look for Contacts and click on it to open your Google Contacts page. After you are in Google Contacts, find the option to export your contacts and click it. This will allow you to download your contact list as a file that can be used in another application. When prompted, select the file extension shown on your screen. This is an important part of the process because Outlook can only import certain contact file formats. Choosing the correct export format here helps make the transfer smoother and avoids import issues later. Once your contacts have been exported, the file will usually download to your computer's default downloads folder unless you've chosen another location. It's a good idea to remember where the file was saved so you can easily find it in the next part of the process. Now open Microsoft Outlook. After Outlook loads, go to the top left area of the screen and click on People. This section is where Outlook stores and manages your contact information. In the People view, look toward the top of the window for the Manage Contacts drop-down menu and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Import. This opens the import tool so you can bring your exported Gmail contacts into Outlook. Next, browse to the contact file you exported earlier from Gmail and select it. If you saved it in your Downloads folder, that is usually the fastest place to check first. After selecting the file, click Import to begin the transfer. Outlook will then process the file and add your Gmail contacts into your Outlook contact list. Depending on how many contacts you have, this may take a few moments. Once the import is complete, you can review your contacts in the People section to confirm everything has been added correctly. And that's it. You've successfully moved your contacts from Gmail into Microsoft Outlook. If needed, take a moment to scan through the imported list for duplicates or missing details so your contact list stays organized and ready to use.